Hi there! Welcome to Mila's Bright Smiles channel, where I'm going to break down some topics about dental filling material, especially some of those DIY dental filling material products you can find online. Are they safe or you putting your health at risk? Let's find out! First, let's get the basics straight. Dental fillings are material used by dentists to fill teeth damaged by cavities. Common fillings include amalgam, mixed metals, composite, gold, and ceramics. When done professionally, those fillings are safe and durable. But what's happened when someone likes to skip the dentist and go for do-at-home solutions? That's when risks start creeping in. This is a patient who kindly agreed to make this video for educational purposes. He used to do at-home kit, hoping it's answer for his problem with decay. And you see how delaying dental visits can make tooth decay worse over time. Now, patient got some dental insurance and have coverage to do 2 teeth. Hopefully, we're going to see patient soon to finish his treatment with the rest of the teeth. Some of those kits can be useful for emergency. Say you are traveling and you lost the filling. The real danger comes when people treat those quick fix as a permanent solution. Let's talk about risk, what you need to know. Number 1 is incorrect application. Without proper training, you can trap bacteria inside of your cavity, which can lead to bigger cavity infections and tooth loss. Number 2 is toxic material. Some of those kits can contain toxic material which can leak into your body and possibly can damage your health. Number 3 is delaying professional care. Relying on those DIY kits can delay professional care. Cavities and tooth damage can worsen over time. How to stay safe? A pro tip. First, look for products that are approved by dental associations. Usually they meet standards. Follow up with dentist ASAP. Temporarily, it means temporarily. Book that appointment. So, are dental fillings you can buy online are dangerous? The answer is they can be if misused. When it comes to your health, don't cut corners. Have you had experience with DIY dental fillings? Let me in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Until next time, and remember, smiling is contagious. Spread it!